I've long had an interest in sort of student learning, how students access information, how they go about approaching their studies. And one of the big things that we use really is the Blackboard system. It's a virtual learning environment where it supplements really the information that they get from the lectures and seminars. We've really sort of taken on board this element of the Exemplary Course Award, which is sort of promoting excellence really in the Blackboard sort of environment. You know, my kind of teaching philosophy really is that you can take a horse to water, but you can't make it drink, and really it's providing all the information and stimulating the interest in the course that's not just confined to the lectures and seminars, that students can then take on other parts of the course, and they can do it wherever they want to do it, whenever they need to do it. They can log in and they can get all the bits of information and extra supplementary materials as and when they need it. I mean, the feedback from the module evaluation was 100% satisfaction, so that's great for me. You know, that's my job. Really sort of well done. I can pat myself on the back in that respect. But more sort of anecdotally, students have been really impressed with the way that they've had all the materials. I've provided sort of pre-lecture recordings. They get all the lecture recordings almost instantly after I've finished the lecture. I'll upload those lecture slides and the recordings for them, and they really value that information. So sometimes there's a bit of a lag between the lecture and the next seminar, and it kind of keeps them interested, you can post new information, news stories, etc. on there, and it's been really useful for them to kind of really engage with the subject area. I was obviously really chuffed to receive this Exemplary Course Award. It was, it wasn't the first time I'd applied, and it was useful for me to work with the Blackboard team to see the bits of things I needed to improve at. But there's always place for reflection, even stuff I would have done differently this time around.